How to fix HVCI enabled requirement error. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this error if you are trying to play games and this error is popping up. Let's see how you can fix it. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. But before we do anything, you just have to be sure that you are comfortable with making changes with your laptops or your PC's settings. With that out of the way, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you back up your data just in case. And after you've done that, you first need to open up your run dialog box. And then here you can just type in msinfo32. And once you do that, hit enter. And once your system information is open, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and see if your virtualization is turned on. So you have to check that your HVCI is enabled first. Now to do that, if the Hyper-V virtualization is enabled, then that's all right. Now you can close this out. The second thing you need to do is open up your laptop settings, the normal settings, and then from here head over to privacy and security. And then from here what you need to do is go to Windows Security on the very first option. And after Windows Security, you need to find your device security here. Go ahead and tap on device security. And once your Windows security is turned on, here you just want to head over to core isolation and check the core isolation details. So go ahead and click on it and make sure that your memory integrity is turned on. And after doing that, just click on yes and make sure to restart your computer once. So once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And after that, what you need to do is other settings that you can check is your group administration. So type in GP edit and then hit enter. Or if you can't find it using GP edit, you can just type in edit group policy. So once you search for edit group policy, it will show you the result here. And once you find it, you just want to make sure that your virtualization is turned on. And the other things that you can check is just go ahead and check if your drivers are up to date. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.